A simple way to check if the elements of a list or set are single type? I need to write a piece of code if all the elements are int or all a string, then return true, else return false. My solution is these. I think it should be better.
This code checks generally if all elements are of the same type. It answers the title of your question, but works differently than your solution, which returns false for a list of floats.
If you require all your elements in list L to be of a certain type, for example int, then the following is a very efficient method. It short circuits, i.e. on the first occurrence of a list element that is not of type int, it evaluates to false. If you require all your elements in list L to just be of the same type and do not provide this type as input information, there is at least one element in the list, then this A is the analogon.
If you want to check that the sequence is all of a specific type, if you just wanted to make sure they're all the same type,
Quartet.